guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Smael. And today guys, we're doing a reaction video for Arthur Gunn final performance on American Idol. So this is like amazing. And yeah, anyway guys, before I start to make a reaction video for Arthur Gunn, I just want to say thank you for all my subscribers for always supporting this channel, watching my videos, subscribing my channel. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. And yeah, if you're new for this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you know always notified every time I upload a video. Plus don't forget to comment down below guys, like this video, hit thumbs up. So, huwag na natin patagalin guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know. It's been coming down for some time. When it's over, so they say, it will rain someday, I know. Shining down like water.
The third rendition of him performing that incredible song and changing it up every single time.
Arthur, you're an absolute star. You have carved your place, man. The best performances, the best in vocals, and more importantly, the best in style and personality. And no matter what happens forward, you take this star and ride it all the way.
Thank you so much, man.
The best. Listen, I don't know what pill you took for today's performances, but in my own opinion, you took the winning pill because you came with the last play. It's like you had a last ace up your sleeve. And if you win, I think you should put out that version of the song because it was tremendous.
Thank you so much.
Way to nail every aspect of American Idol. I mean, you have checked every American Idol box that you need to check, in my opinion. I mean, you're a star, you're authentic. If there are any more like you in Kathmandu, please get on the phone and call them and tell them to come out next year, please.
So true.
Congrats, buddy. We love you.
That was Arthur's final shot to win your vote.
Wow, that was absolutely fantastic. Wow. All these judges said this, like, yeah, that's true. You know, for him, like, he's so amazing, he's so talented, and also his voice is like very unique and rusty, and also like, yeah, I think he deserved to be, you know, I mean, like, winner for this American Idol season 2020. So yeah, we will wait this one, guys, because I think this is the last performance. So after that, BBD will give the result for the winning of the American Idol. So we're so excited who's the one you know win this competition 2020 American Idol season. So yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching this video reaction for Arthur Gunn. I hope you like this one, guys. And yeah, video for this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, stream always notified every time I upload a new video. Plus, don't forget to comment down below, guys. If you like this video, click thumbs up. And yeah, for my subscriber, thank you guys for always supporting this channel, guys. See you again for my next video reaction.